to Channel 7's 5 o'clock news. Today we'll go over the anniversary of Hurricane Katrina and how these hurricanes are formed. But first, this week's weather. Take it away, Samantha.
Hi Seattle, I'm Samantha bringing you the weather. The sun is out today, which is the main source of thermal energy, but soon it will be covered by clouds. Today in Seattle is 62 degrees Fahrenheit with a 60% chance of rain. The high is 64 degrees with a low of 40 degrees. A cold front is coming in, bringing low pressure in with it. That will replace our current high pressure. High pressure likes to move into areas with low pressure. Air pressure is the force exerted by air, whether compressed or unconfined, on any surface in contact with it. Air pressure is measured by a barometer. When there is more air pressure, it is usually warmer. Cold fronts happen where there is low air pressure. Bad weather usually comes hand in hand with low pressure. Now back to you, Lauren.
Wind is formed by the sun, the main source of thermal energy. The sun heats areas differently. As a place becomes warmer, the air expands, causing a pressure change. Wind is higher pressure moving to lower pressure to balance things out. Wind can cause ocean currents. The wind affects the top 1,300 feet of the ocean. The wind creates friction as it moves over the ocean. The friction forces water to move in a spiral pattern. Deepwater ocean currents is caused by differences in density of the water. Ocean currents circulate waters worldwide. They have an impact on the energy and the moisture between the oceans and the atmosphere. Hurricane Katrina was a tragic event. 3 things need to happen to create a hurricane. First, the ocean waters must be warm enough at the surface to put enough heat and moisture into the overlying atmosphere to provide the fuel for the hurricane. Second, moisture from seawater evaporation must combine with heat and energy to propel the hurricane. Third, a wind pattern that spirals needs to be near the surface of the ocean. Then thunderstorms form, making the air warmer and rise higher. If wind is strong enough, a hurricane can form. If warm water moves into an area with these conditions, the hurricane will be very strong, just like Katrina. Now Samantha will tell us what weather maps are for.
Meteorologists use many tools to track and predict weather patterns. They measure current and past atmospheric conditions and make predictions of what the weather will be based on those conditions. Weather maps show what kinds of weather is present. Now I'm going to talk to you about the effects of warm and cold water. When warm water moves into an area, the temperature of the area rises along with the pressure. When cold water moves into the area, the temperature drops. So does the pressure. Back to you, Lauren.
Thank you for joining us for the Channel 7 5 o'clock news. See you next time.